Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites in place. Install Windows 11 updates and enable developer mode if you will use WSL. Next, install 64-bit Visual Studio Code and add the Microsoft C/C++ extension so IntelliSense works. Then install a GCC toolchain, Min GWW64 for native or WSL GCC for Linux tools, and make sure the toolchain bin folder is in your path. Once done, reopen VS Code so the new extensions and path are recognized, and you can proceed to configure tasks. You now configure IntelliSense and build tasks. Open your workspace folder and add a simple hello. See so you have a target. Edit CPP properties. JSON to set include path, IntelliSense mode to GCCX64, and point compiler path to your GCC executable so headers and completions are accurate. Then create a tasks. JSON build task that runs GCC $file base name no extension. exe $file so you compile with debug symbols. Once tasks are saved, run the build task and confirm output. exe appears in the folder. You finish by adding launch. JSON for debugging. Choose type CPPDBG, request launch, set program to your output. exe and mi mode to GDB or LLDB as appropriate. Then set breakpoints and start debugging. Watch variables in the side panel and the debug console for runtime messages. If something fails, make sure path includes the compiler bin, compiler path in CPP properties. JSON matches the installed GCC, and that you installed a 64-bit toolchain that matches Windows 11. If problems persist, restart VS Code and rerun the build to regenerate symbols.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.